Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to reorder power of 2, which is 869 number problem and a medium level problem in LeetCode. So you will be given an integer. All you have to do, you have to reorder the integers and you have to perform if we get any reordered integer or including the original integer, which is power of 2. All we have to ignore the leading digit zeros. Okay. So, for example, if I say my number is n is equal to 46, okay, or 417. So, how can we reorder this number? One is 417, another one is 471, another one is 147, another one is 741. Like this, we can reorder, right? The numbers. And then we have to find out is the number is power of 2. So there are multiple ways you can solve this problem. One way it could be, okay, reorder all the elements first and check individually. Is this number is power of 2? Is this, and we all know like how can we check the power of 2? In our yesterday's problem, we have seen that how you can check is the number is power of 2 or not. So this is one way. Another way you can check, okay, take this number and for example, the number is 46, right? And the 64 is power of 2, right? Now, if you rearrange this one, like if you rearrange the if you sort the number 46, which will be 46, and you have rearranged the number and check, and what you have to do, you have to find, okay, this one is power of 2, so I'll check that this one is power of 2, and if you have a look, the both number are same, like 4 and 4 are same, 6 and 6 are same. So what we can do, we will sort this number and we'll check is this number is equal to this number. If it is, that means it is power of 2, right? I hope I have explained it. Like, so what we have to do initially, what we will do, for example, how can I say, for example, the number itself is 64, they given 64, and initially we'll sort this number. So sorted one will be 46. Now, the problem statement says the constants n will be maximum 10 to the power 9. So here, if I say 2 to the power 30 is greater than 10 to the power 9. Okay, so we will go till to the power 90. Now we got 46, our sorted. Now what we will do, we will run a loop 0 to 30. Okay, 0 to 30, and we will check is 10 to the power 2 to the power I is equal to, okay, sorted. Sorted 2 to the power I is equal to my sorted array. Like I can say this one is target, and I can say sorted to the power I is equal to my target. If it is, then return true. And till 30, if I don't get an integer which is equal to target, I'll just return false. Okay, this one we can do. And how can you sort this one? We will convert the number string to string, and then we'll sort this one. Okay, again this one will sort this like this. I hope you got it. If I convert it in the code, what we can do, we can say my string target will be to string, and that's it, to string, and then we'll sort this one. Or we can we can we can do one helper. We can take an helper function, helper of n. Then in the helper, what I'll do, in the helper, what I'll do, I'll write string helper int n, and then what I'll do here, yeah, I'll take one string str. Initially, I'll do two string, and then I'll put a sort function str.begin, str.int. Oh my bad, str.int. That's it, and then return str. That's it. So in this function, what we are doing, we are sorting our array. We are sorting our number. We are converting our number to string, and then we are sorting this one. So this helper function is doing like this, and then we'll run one loop for int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Then I'll say if helper of, okay, the easiest way to get the, for example, you have number 0 to 30. The easiest way to get the power of 2 is 1 to the power of I, right? So what, like, for example, if my I equal to 3, right? What I equal to 3 do? 1 and 3, right? Means it will put 3 0 after 1, right? So it will be 1 0 0 0, and 1 0 0 is equal to, I think, 8, right? Uh, is it? So 1 is 0 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one is 8, and 1 2 0 is will be 4. So if it is 2, then it will 8 2 0, and it will be 4, right? And we all know like 4 8 is always power of 2. So this is the easiest way. Just do 1 I, if this one is equal to my target, just return true, otherwise return false. That's it. And if I run my code, yeah, and if I submit my code, an error. It, what is it? It should be 30. My bad. It should be till 30. I should check. Now if I submit it, yeah, I got it. Thank you so much, guys.